So today I'm at this Fri Road here, checking out this Master Chef kitchen, and it's just opening today, and it seems like the stir fry is very good. So let's check out. Lấy chicken xì hin cô ô điều ấy và thầu chí đó hin cô lấy đi. Wow, quy chấm luôn chinh. Có chém quy ra chạy chém na. Phải quy khẩm. Phải gò khẩm na. Tôi chắc coi hin này sao phản trình nha hồ điều. Tôi chỉ phải cho chú cha để lăng bơi test sinh hoạt de. Có chém lại cho hố mai xèo xa cậu mùi á. Anh có mi hô cay xèo đúng chưa? Nếu vậy cái đó hỗ trợ. Nếu vậy cái đó hỗ trợ. Nếu vậy cái đó hỗ trợ. Ok. Suy, có là hệ mẹ níu trở lại. Okay. Okay, so we are checking out this Master Chef kitchen at this Yee Hai restaurant. So many dishes here. So I'm starting off with their signature. This is the bitter gourd with egg. Wow. Most of the food here cao bột hay mày. This one is very good, very nice. And then for those that cannot take spicy, it's Kai Lan one. This one is stir fried Kai Lan choy. Wow, very nice. Got Chinese wine flavor and also packed with pork aroma. Good. And this is the Kong Po kidney meat. So let's check out. The kidney meat is very tender and very nice. It's not too spicy. Good. Okay, so next one we are checking out this the Nyonya cooked fish. This one looks good. Wow. It's actually topped with this laksa noodle. Spicy and also appetizing. Wow. Woo. Very exciting. And next we'll have this sambai with fried this potato leaf. Very nice. In fact, frying together with the onion makes it more aromatic. And checking out this one, the chao pai tau hu, their signature tofu as well. Appetizing and also with the touch of the spicy. Sour spicy, a bit like Thai style. This one is good. And last but not least, checking out this passion fruit chicken. And this is prepared for kids because it's just they're using this passion fruit sauce. Very nice, very fresh, refreshing, and also very flavorful. Oh, this is good. Something very unique. 400 hồ liền.